Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Thanks for joining. Welcome. So let me share this link with our guys first. Okay, hi, Devil. Hi. Good afternoon, Devil. नाम तो अच्छा दिख रहा भाई. Nice. So, thanks for joining, guys. Let's see. Abhi to it is taking a support from the bottom. I'm going to share this link with the WhatsApp group as well. Let me check. Okay, so let's see. So see, Nifty is actually taking a very good support from here. So I'm kind of still positive, still positive, still positive in Nifty counter and Bank Nifty भी ऊपर आने का कोशिश कर रहा है भाई. So let's see, let's wait for some time और कुछ मिलेगा बोल के देखेंगे. Nifty तो is giving us a very good boost. Very good. चल रहा. Nice. Okay, so Nifty, Bank Nifty. We shall check Nifty, guys. Nifty 16,150 to your watch list. Call side. Um, and where can we have the target? Okay. No, not here. Chalo, wait karte bhai. Let's wait. Wait for some time. Okay. Don't take any trade. We shall wait for some price action and then take an entry. Mostly it is looking sideways, and normally Fridays are expected to be sideways. Slow momentum trades. Okay, recovering, guys. Recovering 16,200 के आसपास, and then we shall see on the 16,200 is unwinding somehow. Okay, so don't buy anything, guys. Don't buy anything now. And buy. This is looking different. Let's see, 10 to 20 point scalping. Yeah, वो कर सकते. Scalping can be done, guys. Scalping can be done. That should be fine, but not the long targets. Some time. ये तो how many points? we have taken a bear put spread here, 142 points diya bhai. That's a good one. Nice. And if you are taking a zone trade में क्या कर सकते हैं आप? You can take a short scalping trade कर लो. This is a scalping trade somewhere here. Okay. Scalping trade can be taken immediately once it crosses. Scalping trade can be taken there. Okay. Samir, sir, please give some good trades. So I lost 1700. 1700? Kaise bhai? I don't know. This is low voice. Sorry man. I didn't know. Okay. Kaise loss hua bhai? So from here, take a scalping trade. Take a scalping trade on the put side. 16,200 put you can try. మీరు ఇక్కడ నుంచి 16,200 పుట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. దీంట్లో అయితే నిఫ్టీలో బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీలో అయితే మార్క్ ద లెవెల్స్. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ వాచింగ్ దెన్ యూ షుడ్ బి ఏబుల్ టు టేక్ ఎ ట్రేడ్. సో మార్క్ ద లెవెల్స్ హియర్. సో చూడ స్కాల్పింగ్ ట్రేడ్ ఓన్లీ, బికాస్ టుడే ఫ్రైడే యూ డోంట్ గెట్ టూ మెనీ పాయింట్స్ here. Okay, and target will be here. Scalping trades. Only above that, only below that, only below this. Once it actually breaks and forms a price action, we'll take an entry. You look at this. I shared the screen in the morning, guys. If you remember, even in Telegram में तो share किया आपको share किया. See, if you have taken this, you would have been at least in some profits in the morning itself. ये तो मैं share किया. I shared this in the Telegram channel. If you look at, check कर लो ये वाला. So now what it has actually done, it has done this here. Right here. So something like this. Right, look at this. I gave this in the morning itself. Wait for a retest and take an entry volke. So we would have been at least getting some 100 points there. Right. So abhi to chhod do, ye nikal denge. Let's remove this. Look at this. It is respecting that trend line. So once it breaks and sustains above this, we will take a call option. Otherwise, let's not take any call options until then. We are bearish. Until then, we are bearish. Okay. Are you able to hear me now? Are you guys able to hear me? सुन रहा है क्या? Scalping trade only, guys. आज Friday very slow momentum चल रहा है भाई. Try कर लो. Okay. Fill कर लो. चलो done. Gap तो fill किया. Don't worry. Nice. That is done. Yes. Wow. मत लेना अभी. Let's wait for a retest. Retest के लिए wait कर लो भाई. We are not taking without a retest. Retest नहीं है तो no entry please. No entry without a retest. Sorry. Oh wow. Such super, man. Super move. Sure. God, look at this. But don't take it. Either, you see a gap there, right? Don't take it. You will be trapped unnecessarily. Wait for some time. Okay, wait for some time, guys. Let there be one retest at least. Without a retest, I will not take a trade. Sorry. No, no entry. No entry, please. Okay, okay. Abhi, let it fill the gap. Let it fill the gap. We'll take an entry, guys. Let this fill the gap. We'll take an entry. This time it is going to be good. Somewhere here. Okay? And the SL will be here. 15, 16 points of SL. Okay. And I'm expecting a target of this 28 points. Okay. Okay. Bank Nifty maybe, guys. It is trying to take a retest. Yeah. Banega either. So let's get with our target here. This is our target, right? आज का stop loss will be here. You can take it after the cross. Right. Chalo, Bank Nifty 35,000 call should be fine. $16,200 call दिया मैं. Oh, that was in super profit. Waiting for that breakout. Okay. Don't take it now. Wait for that breakout. After the crossing, you can take it. Yeah, somewhere here. Chalega. Let this be here. Oh yeah. Let's take it here, man. Let's not take it here. Okay. And stop loss will be here. And target to wahi rahega. Correct. Man, this is going to be risky, man. Most of the every time it is actually creating gaps. Every time. Sideways market ka. Either be. Look at this. This is not really. See, I see a gap here again, guys. So this is not a confirmation. Let that be filled. Without activate करे फिर से नीचे. कर सकते भाई, कर सकते. And even here. This has to be filled. For me, it has to be filled. You know, this without filling this gap, if it goes up, pata nahi kab niche aayega. You know, we do not know. It can directly come down from the middle of this, or it can come down now itself, or you know, इधर जाने के बाद भी ऊपर नीचे आएगा बोल. So at one point of time ये तो नीचे एक gap तो fill करना है. It will fill the gap. ఆ గ్యాప్ అయితే ఫిల్ చేయాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. వేరే ఆప్షన్ లేదు దానికి. हम मौका तो नहीं देंगे इसको. Let's not give it a chance. Okay, so I think it is filling the gap here. चलो ये तो हो गया. ओके, ये तो फिल हो गया. डन. अरे what a scary market when it is scaring. This is scary, man. First time watching this in such a slow market. It's creating gaps. Oh yeah, man. We have seen it multiple times. You know, I have seen lot of gaps during RBI. Not RBI. This was on a right. RBI policy date. I have seen such a huge gaps, and you have seen a V-shaped recovery. Completely, if you actually go back to our stream on RBI policy, आपको दिखेगा. It suddenly shot up somewhere around 500 points, and there was a small gap at the bottom somewhere here. Okay, and I waited for that gap to be filled. From the afternoon, it suddenly came down and broke the low of that day. Complete V-shaped recovery and gave us huge profits that day. I waited for that gap to be filled. Complete gap fill. My God, what is this, man? Wow, another gap. Yeah. Lot of gaps. No, don't take any trade without. If there is a gap, it is not good to take. No. It is not good at all. If there is a gap, it is not a perfect trade. Okay. Please do like and subscribe. I mean, 10 people are watching, only 2 likes. This is not good. Please do subscribe. I know there are people who are watching it for the first time. Please do subscribe. So, my target today is going to be come se come. See, I am going to have my target at 250 man today. Chalo. My final target is going to be 250. Final target, of course. I'm talking about final target, not 1 hour or 15 minutes scalping trade. वो नहीं बता रहा हूँ. And the stop loss is also going to be heavy for me. That's going to be today's low. This is going to be 37 points of stop loss and 39 points of target. So 250 is what I am actually looking at today. मेरा टारगेट आज का टारगेट 250 है भाई निफ्टी में. चलो, whoever is with me, whoever wants to take a trade, please take it. I'm telling you, whoever wants to take it can take it. चाहिए तो ले लो. My target is that. So बैंक निफ्टी में I am looking for a target of this then. चलो, okay. With the day slow, of course, with day slow. The activity is नहीं हुआ, but with something like this, for example, okay. If someone is ready to take this stop loss, please take it. When my target है ये, and Nifty में 250 is going to be my target today. देखते. So stocks, let's check some stocks, guys. Meanwhile, let's check some stocks. Okay. Mostly, if this is not getting activated and breaking on the downside, put side मिलेगा हमको. And even here, if it is breaking on the downside here, put side मिलेगा हमको somewhere here. ठीक है. So until then, don't take an entry. So we'll see Sun Pharma. How are you doing? Sun Pharma. कभी भी, just wait for one great trade in Sun Pharma, guys. पता नहीं कब देगा, but it will give a sudden move on the upside or downside. It is still thinking. It is still thinking whether to go up or come down. So yeah, mostly मेरे हिसाब से it is taking a very good support here. Probably it will break, and हो सकता है कि it can give us 1:1 ratio target. It can give us 1:1 target that you can actually try. Sun Pharma में, okay. right? But on a weekly basis, if you ask me for a next week, for a next week, I am bullish in Nifty. I'm bullish. I wish it makes 100 points gap. I will take a quick trade. See, I am bullish in Nifty for a week or 2 weeks के लिए I am bullish. So at least 16,200 तो होगा. This is going to be a good support, very good support. This is going to be a very good support. So imagine if it sustains above 250, 16,250, my target is going to be 16,317 for the next week. Okay, if it sustains above this, this is going to be my target, final ultimate target. Check. Okay, 16,317. Okay, that's going to be my ultimate target for Nifty if it sustains above this. Okay, but I am bullish. I'm still bullish now. Until this is broken, I am bullish. Okay, so Aram say whoever is holding calls, I would say please hold. Okay, my view is bullish for now. Okay, okay, हमारा कैसे चल रहा है ये वाला? Very slow, but I am expecting some bull run somewhere. ऊपर जाना है, ये भी ऊपर जाना है भाई, चेक कर लो. I'm holding call options for next week. Next week के लिए I'm holding call options. Next week के लिए I'm holding call options guys. Take, okay. See, Telegram में देता हूँ, Telegram पे देता हूँ भाई. Next week के लिए 16,200 call at 137 चल रहा. Okay, 137, 136. Okay. $200, $250, $300. Okay. Chala. Let's wait for some more time. Please do like and subscribe. And moreover, I don't see any, huge unwinding that's happening right now. So I'm still waiting. But it has to properly activate above this. हमको मिलेगा भाई. I'm telling you. Properly activate above this. I think we'll have a good move. The only problem that I see here is that for every 2-3 minutes candle, there is a gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, lot of gaps. 5 here. Look at this. Everywhere there are gaps. Here, one more here, here. So this is not a good sign when you see a market. If you want a trendy market, these are not good signs. No activated, not activated yet. Complete sideways, man. Consolidation zone check kar lo bhai. This is a consolidation zone, right? A consolidation zone for you. So it has to sustain on one of the above or below parameters for us to give us some good trade. तो थोड़ा ट्रेड अच्छा ट्रेड चाहिए भाई. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर वन इजी 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 250 पॉइंट्स के लिए देख रहा हूँ मैं. चलो it has to break it properly. Again small gaps, very small gaps between each of these candles. Remember, not really good. Sideways, again sideways. Again sideways. But then I don't think we'll get an entry even. See, sometimes what happens is that on a Friday market, suddenly you might see some sudden downfall and आपको entry भी नहीं मिलेगा कभी कभी. And हो सकता है कि it can actually take you for a ride. It suddenly falls, takes some time retest, suddenly falls again, and you don't get to decide whether to take a put option or a call option. మనకు అసలు అర్థమే కాదు. అక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత కిందకి పడుతుంది, తర్వాత అక్కడ కన్సాలిడేషన్ మళ్ళీ తీసుకోవాలంటే కష్టమే. సో బోత్ వేస్. trendy. I want some trendy market. पता नहीं. I don't know whether it will sustain above that. No, it is not giving a breakout, man. Not giving us a breakout at all. Complete. Look at this. It is still sluggish. Another small gap. Oh God, what are you doing? Tata Steel, we are on put side, guys. Tata Steel, we are on put side today. Tata Steel में. Tata Steel, we are on the put side. ये तो ऊपर ही नहीं जा रहा. So I'm expecting some more downward momentum in Tata Steel. Okay. TCS, I have given you a put option for a hero zero call, for a monthly call. So if someone wants to take that risk, you can still take it and hold it for the target of 150. I think I gave a put option of 32,080 put option दिया मैं. So कब है results today results. But I am on the put side in TCS. I am expecting a bearishness. So probably this might even come down to 32.40, something like that. So I am expecting some bearish momentum in TCS. इसीलिए put option दिया. It is still in profit. अभी profit में चल रहा. IT sector, how is it doing? IT sector today? IT sector is in flat, trading flat. Metal sector is kind of okay by more than 0.5%. Auto sector, commodity sectors are flat, and actually none of the sectors are really positive. Most of them are flat. Financial sector is flat, energy sector, banking sector, all of them are flat. The only thing which is completely showing a negativeness or a bearishness is metal sector. Metal sector is showing some bearishness today. Okay. Another gap here again. My goodness. Looks like it is trying to form head and shoulder. Looks like it is trying to form head and shoulder. इसके ऊपर एक 10-15 पॉइंट्स के लिए स्कैल्पिंग कर लो भाई. इसके ऊपर 10-15 पॉइंट्स के लिए स्कैल्पिंग कर लो. स्कैल्पिंग. See, this head and shoulder pattern is what I am expect. I see something like this here. I short sell trading lever at 329 for intraday. BPCL at 329. Oh, देख लो, Tata is giving us more profits, man. BPCL. Short sell, I would say you should have waited. You should have waited. पता नहीं ऐसी. It is on a bearish mode. I know it is taking a bearish mode. But proper confirmation कब मिलेगा बोले तो once you takes a retest, it has to wait for the retest, तब आपको confirmation मिलेगा बोले तो. So look for this. I'll tell you wait. So if this is breaking that 327.5 properly, sustaining this, then you will see some more bearish momentum up to day slow first. इधर तक आने का chances है, right? And if you are holding it for the long term, this is going to be your long term बोले तो I mean, for a month or so, 321 तक भी आ सकता है. Okay. But it has to give you a price action there. Because I am looking at a head and shoulder pattern here. Right? It has to break, then it makes a good confirmation for you to hold on to a short up. Okay. So where is our where is TCS? TCS, where are you, my dear? At 95, guys. What is the high? 95. TCS hit 95 already. TCS has hit 95 already. 95. 13 points. Easy 13 points. Okay. TCS giving you 13 points already. Already 13 points. Check कर लो भाई. Already 13 points दे रहा है. So I'll update that here. Okay. Hit 95 already. Okay. 82 to 95 already done. Okay. How many of you have taken this, guys? Bata nahi, pata nahi, pata nahi. You got to tell me, guys. Still in the consolidation zone. We are not taking anything. No, don't try anything now. Don't try anything. Don't try anything now. इसका नीचे scalping कर सकते हैं आप. You can do a scalping. इसका नीचे because the target is only somewhere here at the low of today. So आपको you don't get too many points. ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा. पता नहीं एंट्री भी देगा या नहीं. चलो TCS again 97 guys, 97 is hit. So finally that was trying to give us a breakout. Okay, it's about to get activated, guys. I'm going to hold this Nifty. I am going to hold this Nifty for next week as well if it does not give me my profits, or if it does not hit my SL. See, I am going to hold my trade within this zone. Within this zone, I am going to hold my trade. Either it should give me target or either it should hit my SL. Only two things. Good afternoon, Prashant. Thanks for joining. Only two things. It should hit my SL or it should hit my target. Between these zones, I am going to hold my positions. I'm not going to do anything there. Remember this, guys. Look at this. Do you see something like this here? Three touch. See this? Look at the three touch pattern, guys. Giving you a third touch, immediately hit our target here. At least hit our target here. All right. Let's see. Okay, how is this? Okay, exactly. Look at this. Look at this three touch again here. Again at the three touch, it is trying to resist. But I am still bearish. I am still bearish in TCS, guys. I am bearish in TCS. I am bearish in TCS. TCS, how many points it gave? How many points TCS is giving us? TCS is at 100. Hit 100, man. 100, 100, 100. Chalo. 50 more points in TCS. 50 more points. I am looking for 150 target. My target is 150 TCS mein. So something like 80 to 150. How many points we are looking at? Which is like 20, 50. 20, 50 is equal to 70 points. 70 into 150. How much, man? Tell me. 70 into, my goodness. 10,500 is going to be my target in TCS with one lot. 10,500. But anyways, after 120 or so, I will start trailing. After 120, I will start trailing in TCS. Until then, no trailing, no booking, nothing of that sort. Come on, man. This is not activating. This time, this is going to be difficult. Chalo, what is this? Some more time. We will wait. There is nothing, no harm in waiting. Aaj to Friday hai, so it's going to be sideways anyways. As expected, it is going to be sideways. As expected. Let's see if something comes up. What is that we can do? No man. Sideways, sideways. Still sideways, guys. Still sideways. Please like करते चलो भाई. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. TCS. Still at 98. 98, man. 98. What a move it is today. Okay. You're still waiting, man. Nothing is happening. Just sideways, sideways. Such a huge volatility. So the straddles are giving good profits now. I mean, it has started doing it. It wasn't a great, but that's fine. Completely fine. Um, let's see this ITC, man. If someone is interested in ITC, ITC can give you good move. ITC can give you good move, guys, because it is exactly around the resistance zone. Once it breaks this, it's going to be good. Oh yeah, ITC, guys. Keep this in your watch list. Keep this in your watch list. ITC. Keep this in your watch list. So 293, 93.6. Yes, okay. So take it above 293.6. Okay. 293.6. Stop loss is going to be 1.25. Target is going to be 296. Okay. ITC. Check this out. And calls में ITC check कर लेता हूँ. Let's check some options. ITC ITC 295 call check कर लो. It's around 5 rupees. Okay. 5 rupees. Take it above 545. Around 545. Okay. At 5 rupees 45. Okay. Target कैसे होगा? 1 minute कैसे? I'll tell you. So 23, okay. I think we don't get to 6.2 होगा target. SL होगा 5.25. Okay. ITC can be taken at that price only, at 545. Okay. Man, this is so boring. So boring. But look at this, guys. Multiple times it is taking a support here. Multiple times, except for this fake breakout. Most of the times it is taking a support here. Most of the times it is taking a support here. So if you ask me, I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. टाटा स्टील हमारा टारगेट डन चुका है. ओके, स्कैल्पिंग तो मैं खाना खा के अभी आया. कोई ट्रेड एक्टिवेट हुआ क्या? नहीं भाई, नहीं नहीं नहीं. एसएस, गुड आफ्टरनून, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. No trades, no trades, guys. No trades activated. No trades activated, but I am positionally positive in Nifty. I am positionally positive in Nifty. Positionally for next week के लिए I am positive in Nifty. I am still positive. What is this, man? See, when you actually look at, see, the bank nifty is downward, but the premium did not really increase. Even if you buy a particular premium at 50 rupees here, okay, your premium might be around 55 or 60 here, because the kind of volatility you see here or the sideways market, the premiums will not increase so good. It will still be there, just waiting for something to happen. I'm not doing anything. Not doing anything. Waiting. Still waiting. I still waiting. कुछ भी मत करना. Don't do anything. चलो ये निकाल देता हूँ. पता नहीं कब एक्टिवेट होगा वो. Man. पता नहीं. Wait for it. I'm not taking an entry. No entry on the put side also. The target is just nearby. The target is just nearby. So it would not be proper to take an entry also. The target is just nearby. Sir, BPCL giving profits on sell trade. Should I hold or exit? BPCL तो नीचे आ गया ना भाई. So intraday, if it is intraday, I'll tell you, wait. Okay, तो breakout दिया and it has taken a retest and coming down. Wait for today's low. I would say wait for today's low. Wait for today's low 326.15. तब तक wait कर लो. Then you can start trailing. Okay. Once it reaches today's low, you can start trailing. My goodness. Man. चल, I'm gonna delete this as well. पता नहीं है ट्वीट होगा या नहीं. आज पूरा फ्राइडे वीकेंड में डू नॉट टेक एनी टेंशन गाइस. Scalping trade, I think mostly Aniket ko, if you guys want to scalping trade, you can try scalping trades here. Scalping trade kar lo idhar tak, somewhere here. You can trade up to this. Scalping trade kar sakte on the call side up to this zone, somewhere here. Scalping trade. Between these two zones, you can do a scalping trade. Between these two zones, scalping trade kar sakte aap. Somewhere here. Okay. So you will see something like this. Scalping trade चल रहा है भाई इधर. यही चलेगा. So mostly if you want to do a scalping, please do that there. But do not hold them for long time. So look for some short profits. Take huge quantity. Probably you can take some 200, 300, 500 quantity. 2-3 points book कर लो, exit हो जा. That's how we do it. Okay. Look at this again. Only scalping strategies. Most of the times, I told you before also, most of the times when you see something like this is a bullish pattern. This is a bullish pattern. Most of the times when you see something like this, it is a bullish pattern. Okay. You see 1, 2, 3, right? Bullish pattern. Third bullish hoga. Then most of the time this is going to be bullish until this zone at least. Idhar tak bullish hoga at least. So you can scalp. You can scalp, guys. All right. Please do like and subscribe. Please do like and subscribe. Sir, SBN is making lower lows in intraday chart. Should I short sell? SBN आज छोड़ दो भाई. Monday देखेंगे भाई. I would say Monday is good. Monday is good for this short selling. Even SBN आज तो it's completely not looking good, man. See, this is sideways. No, don't try it. I would say this is in a consolidation zone. Not actually, it is not a great lower low. See, I'll tell you why it is. Sometimes people take it as a confusing factor. I'll tell you why. Let me tell you guys. Listen to this. One knowledge session. So, if you look some pattern like this, okay, this is not a lower low pattern completely. When it will make a lower low pattern, let it come down, then waiting for a retest, then it is a lower low formation. Okay, so the low of this has to be broken. ये तो break करना है. Then it is a lower low formation. Until then, this can be a W pattern, right? This can also make a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this can also make a retest here and then go up. Then this can also be taking a support around this zone. So there are multiple ways of looking at it. So abhi to see one confirmation is that until this is not broken, this is not bullish. Until this is not broken, the SBI is not bullish. So if you want to take it, आप चाहिए तो if you want to take it, you can take it, but your stop loss, keep your stop loss above this yellow line 487 के ऊपर or 488. Keep your stop loss here. Okay, but otherwise I would not take an entry now. I would wait for this price action here. దీని కింద నేను తీసుకుంటా. దీని కింద if it is closing here, then I will take an entry. Go with my first target. Go with my second target here. Okay. Look at this. This is why I don't want to take. This is why I don't want to take. This is only killing, man. Scalping ho gaya bhai. Did anyone take a scalping trade here? I told you to take a scalping trade. Scalping trade लेने का लिए बोला मैं. Done. अभी मत लो. Don't take it now again because देख चेक कर लो. एक गैप पेंडिंग है और दूसरा गैप पेंडिंग है. So not good. नीचे you can try a scalping on the bottom now again. You know इसका नीचे ट्राई कर लो. थोड़ा scalping only. Short immediate scalping. इसका नीचे कर लो and maybe probably here or here. Something like this. But कम से कम इधर तक आ जाएगा. कम से कम. It has to come here. If it breaks here, it will come here because the gap is pending. So some at one point of time वो तो नीचे आना है. Scalping के लिए. Okay. Please do like and subscribe. सर ऑप्शन में डीके स्टार्ट है ऑल्सो स्लो मूव. यस यस साइडवेज मार्केट में डीके तो चलेगा भाई. एंड मोर ओवर इट्स ऑलरेडी 130. एक मिनट हम ये देखेंगे भाई कुछ. डू वी हैव ओके समवन इज आस्किंग मी अपोलो टायर का थे. अपोलो टायर में कुछ न्यूज़ है क्या? क्या हुआ अपोलो टायर को? ओह गिविंग अस अ ब्रेकआउट में. नाइस. एक गैप भी फिल करेगा भाई. चलो अपोलो टायर्स. यस यस गाइस अपोलो टायर्स ले सकते भाई. अपोलो टायर्स ले सकते. यस यू कैन ट्राई अपोलो टायर्स. चलो आई थिंक एक ऑप्शन में भी लेंगे हम. विल टेक इट इन ऑप्शंस एज वेल. 204 205 चल रहा राइट. सो लेट्स कीप अ टारगेट फर्स्ट. उसके बाद देखेंगे. लेट्स कीप ए टारगेट ऑफ 208. ठीक है. लेट्स कीप ए टारगेट देयर. अपोलो टायर्स. 205 कॉल कैसे चल रहा है? 60655 चल रहा है. But the quantity looks very heavy. 3500 is the quantity. But चाहिए तो आप ले लो भाई. 645 चल रहा अभी. You can take it at 645 itself if you want. If you guys want, you can take it at 645 itself. 6.45. target रख लो somewhere around 4 points, right? So target रख लो 10, okay, 8 to 10 रख सकते, 8 10, SL होगा 5, ठीक है, चलो. Apollo tires, if someone wants it, take it. ओके, आईटीसी कुछ हुआ क्या? आईटीसी एक्टिवेट हुआ क्या? डिड इट गेट एक्टिवेटेड? आईटीसी अबव 5.45, राइट? आई थिंक इट हैज एक्टिवेटेड, पता नहीं. 1 सेकेंड. ओके, एक्टिवेट हुआ भाई, राइट? ओके, नाइस 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 नाइस. चलो, अच्छा चल रहा भाई, दैट्स अ गुड वन. ओके, नॉट एट 540. कितने पे चल रहा भाई ये आईटीसी वाला? आईटीसी इट्स स्टिल एट 540. व्हाट इज द हाई? हाई इज आल्सो 5.4. ओके, चलेगा चलेगा भाई, चलेगा. बैंक निफ्टी, निफ्टी ओह ब्रेकआउट दे रहा भाई. सुपर 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 सुपर. बट देयर इज अ गैप पेंडिंग हियर मैन. नो, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग फॉर एन इंट्राडे. इंट्राडे के लिए आई एम नॉट टेकिंग, बट वी आर स्टिल होल्डिंग फॉर द पोजिशनल ट्रेड तो होल्ड है भाई, बट इंट्राडे के लिए आई एम नॉट टेकिंग बिकॉज देर इज अ गैप पेंडिंग. ओके, बाय जेएसडब्ल्यू चार्ट पे एनालिसिस बताओ प्लीज. जेएसडब्ल्यू देखेंगे भाई. जेएसडब्ल्यू स्टील बोल रहे हैं ना आप? ये तो पॉजिटिव दिख रहा मुझे. ओके, this is trying to make some very good support here. 3 touch support लिया, इसके ऊपर गया, and then now it is there, but it is taking a resistance here, but I don't think it is a proper resistance because there is a gap pending on top as well, so probably it has to shoot up. Shoot up. ये तो ऊपर जाने वाला है because it has to form at least one more pattern on top. Pattern on top, but we'll have a good confirmation above 579. You should see some more bull rally in JSW Steel. Okay, and moreover JSW Steel में 1st July, okay, 4th July. When is this? This is going to be today, 8th July. Okay, nice. देखेंगे. चेक कर लो भाई. नाइस 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 नाइस. मेरा टारगेट क्या था भाई? 250 बोला ना? 250 इज माय टारगेट, राइट? 250 चेक कर लो. 250 है मेरा टारगेट. कहाँ से प्लॉट किया मैं? Yes, somewhere here. But there are gaps pending. I'm telling you again, there are gaps here. 1 gap, 2 gaps are pending here. So for intraday, if someone has taken, book kar lo, book and exit. Okay. For positional, we are still holding. पोजिशनल ट्रेड के लिए वी आर स्टिल होल्डिंग, पोजिशनल ट्रेड के लिए वी स्टिल होल्डिंग, बट इंट्राडे I would say let these gaps be filled, then you can take an entry. After the gap fill you can take an entry, otherwise don't try it because मेरे पास तो है। चलो Is anyone holding Nifty or Bank Nifty, Coleman? Bank Nifty तो अच्छा नहीं दिया, but yeah, that's fine. Where did we want to take? Here, right? Somewhere here. Bank Nifty में अभी भी ले सकते if you guys want. We still have another 60-70 points का target है. So Bank Nifty you can quickly take and book some profits. You know, if you guys remember, I told you about this third touch pattern. If you guys remember, I told you before itself, I told you ये तो 3 touch pattern है भाई. That's why I am bullish बोल के. Beautiful pattern. That's how the price action works. 25 more points. Above 16,225. If 5-minute candle is closing, I'll tell you. Okay. 232. ठीक है. If 5-minute candle is closing above 230 properly, okay, if it is closing above this, for next week, my target is going to be this 307, probably Monday or Tuesday, कुछ भी होने दो, but my target is going to be somewhere here for next week. Okay. Hope you guys are booking some profits. Apollo Tires 675, 6.75 क्या था, हाई क्या है भाई? 695 भाई, 695 is the high. Apollo Tires. कोई लिया क्या भाई? Did anyone take? अरे how many stock options दिया भाई मैं? 695 भाई, 695 hit. चेक कर लो. 695 बोले तो somewhere around 1,000 rupees plus profit there. Okay. Let's see it. और थोड़ा मिलेगा बोल के सोचिंग. Wait. बैंक निफ्टी अभी भी ट्राई कर सकते गाइस. अभी भी you can still try it. 220. It is still at 220. निफ्टी तो 220 के आसपास चल रहा भाई. Okay. Is anyone holding Bank Nifty or Nifty calls? बता दो. Let me know, guys. If someone is taking this. Oh, wow, wow. Go, 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 go. Nifty तो अच्छा दिया भाई मुझे. That's a good one. That's a good one. Intraday के लिए I told you wait for it because there are gaps pending here. There is a gap pending here. One more gap अभी fill हुआ. There is a gap, another gap here. The final gap is here. Look at this. Gaps तो pending है. I told you there is a gap pending here also. Okay. There is a gap pending here also. Intraday के लिए I would not be interested. Positionally, if someone has taken, मैं तो बता दी. I told you guys to take it here itself. If you want to take it for positional, guys. So those who are holding it can hold it. Intraday के लिए wait for this gap fill. There is a gap that needs to be filled. स्कैल्पिंग कहाँ अच्छी हो, कहाँ बोले तो कहाँ, वो नहीं बता सकते भाई. So you can't be asking for scalping which place. It depends on the momentum. If the momentum is good, आपको मिलेगा. So for example, if it comes down to this trend line, takes a retest, scalping कर लो इधर 10-15 points के लिए scalping. Or if it takes a fall here, takes a retest, then again scalping trade. So that's how it is going to be, right? Scalping तो ऐसी होगी. No, in Nifty में भी हुई है. This is what in Nifty. No BN or no, समझा नहीं. I didn't understand, Aniket. I didn't understand that. $15. Okay. ये तो lower lows, higher highs बनेगा शायद. ये तो higher highs बनेगा शायद. And then there is a support going to be here. Okay. इधर तक आना है भाई. That is going to be it. BN में अच्छी हो गई या निफ्टी में. It depends on which index is moving, Aniket. See, if Nifty is moving good, इसमें scalping चलेगा, और बैंक निफ्टी में है तो बैंक निफ्टी में चलेगा. See, now look at this. Now निफ्टी में अच्छा मूव दिख रहा, राइट? इसमें निफ्टी में scalping अच्छा लगेगा. So if there is a movement in बैंक निफ्टी में scalping होगा. So it depends on which one is actually doing good. Okay. See, now it is taking a retest, right? Some kind of retest here. So इसके ऊपर you can try a scalping again. Maybe for 5-10 points के लिए scalping कर लो. And then exit. So you should look for these closures. इसके ऊपर trailing कर लो. Okay. Please do like and subscribe. And how many people are watching? How many people have subscribed, man? Okay. चलेगा चलेगा चलेगा. No entries. Sorry. No fresh entries basically. But yeah, scalping though, you can try scalping, guys. No problem at all. No problem on the scalping side. You can scalp on the put side now. Check kar lo. See if you have, if you are scalping it, iska niche see look. You should have looked at this close of this candle. Scalp it for 5-10 points. That's how you do it. That's a huge. Nice, nice, nice. So this has come down to fill the gap at the bottom, man. तो गैप फिल करने के लिए आया नीचे. ठीक है. The gap is filled. Gap is filled. अभी तो छोड़ दो ना. Don't try now. Don't buy puts. Don't buy puts now. हो गया. Puts तो हो गया भाई. With Bank Nifty 35,040 के आसपास, right? Both of them are sideways, man. I don't see anything happening here. Okay. Chuda. Venkatesh and Timmareddy, thanks for subscribing. Thank you so much. We're still waiting. No entry on the put side. No entry on the put side, guys. Please don't take an entry now. ये तो हो गया. Only on the call side. We'll try on the call side only. 35,000 call. Okay. अभी call देता. Support के आसपास. Okay. 35,000 call in Bank Nifty. Okay. 35,000 call in Bank Nifty around 380. ठीक है. Around 380. 35,000 call around 380. Okay. $380 टारगेट होगा 420 SL. What is the SL? 1 second. I'll give you the SL also. 360. Okay, 360 होगा आपका SL. ठीक है. चलो. I mean somewhere around that 360, 355 भी चलेगा. Right. टारगेट तो 420 60 नहीं 420 पॉइंट्स 40 पॉइंट्स का टारगेट दे रहा हूं मैं. गिविंग यू 20 पॉइंट्स ऑफ टारगेट गाइस. ओके. So 380, what is the problem now that you see? 383, 384 चल रहा अभी भी. Okay. I gave SL also 360 or 355 भी चलेगा. 355 or 360 is the SL. Okay, let's put it as 355. Okay. Taken at 381 पे लिया क्या? Okay, okay चलेगा. 381 भी चलेगा. Right. 383, 382 चल रहा अभी. Okay, we still holding that call. Holding the call with the strict SL. SL तो strict SL है. 355 is the SL. 420 is the target. ठीक है. 384. लाइक्स तो नहीं बढ़ रहा भाई. चलो go 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 go. It is still there. Okay, taking a retest. Nice. This is also still sideways. Okay. But positionally, again, I'm telling you, next week के लिए I am bullish in Nifty. I'm still bullish in Nifty next week के लिए. With an SL at 125 here. This was my SL for a positional target. SL for ultimate target. Okay. चलो. So कहाँ है मेरा ultimate target? This is my ultimate target, right? So below this is my SL for the SL for the ultimate target. ये होगा. Okay. Until then I am going to hold it. Okay. कौन लिया भाई this one? How many of you have taken this? ये वाला. ये 35,000 call वाला. How many of you have taken this one? So this is going to be intraday target. Okay, and this is going to be intraday SL. Okay, so I'm giving you a trade at the bottom नीचे से दे रहा हूं मैं आपको. 383, just 3-4 points of target still. Or 385. चलने दो इसको, चलने दो. TCS giving you 102. TCS तो 102 दिया भाई. TCS is giving you 102. Hit 102 already. Okay. Bank Nifty, how much? 390. 10 points. Done. 10 points done, guys. 390 done. Where is this? ये नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं चलेगा, राइट. Okay. How many are still holding this call? 35,000 call. 394. 394. TCS इतना गिरा. Okay, so that low is 3253, right? ठीक है. 51. Sorry. नीचे आने का भाई छोड़ दो. Trailed for 391 and exited. Okay, चलेगा. No problem. No problem. No problem. That's okay. Is anyone else holding this trade? बता दो भा. Okay, Tata Steel, you can still take a re-entry, guys. If someone wants to take a re-entry in Tata Steel, अभी भी चलेगा. Tata Steel, you can still take an entry if you want. So 393, 392 चल रहा है. निफ्टी कैसे चल रहा अभी? निफ्टी still sluggish. देखेंगे. फिर से ले सकते हैं भाई इधर से सपोर्ट से. इफ यू गाइस वांट यू कैन स्टिल टेक एन एंट्री अगेन, ट्रेल इट एंड बुक. अगेन सपोर्ट से you can take an entry if you want. If it is taking a retest from here, आप ले लो. You can take an entry again. Okay, and then book some points, exit. Take it the retest again around the same zone. Look at this support से rejection again. Support से rejection. Trailing. You can still trail it, guys. बता दो if someone is interested in trail scalping again. Scalping तो कर सकते हैं आप again. नहीं तोड़ रहा है भाई. This is not breaking it. वेट करेंगे. लेट्स वेट. This is also not breaking today's low. This is also not breaking today's low. Again, I'm telling you, next week के लिए if you want to hold it with this SL 16125, which is like how many points, man? 50 points of SL दे रहा हूँ मैं. Only 50 points of SL. Target तो बड़ा है भाई, 250 plus निफ्टी में. पता नहीं कुछ देगा या नहीं अभी. What's happening? How many are still holding? 35,000 wala still in profit, I would say. 380 plus. Let's get rid of this because it is taking a support here itself. ये तो छोड़ देंगे. So somewhere here itself. Eight 884. Okay, this is Tata Steel. TCS, where are you, my dear? TCS और देने वाला है. Okay. What is the high of that script? Okay, that's 519. What is the latest high on that? Strike price is 400, 410, 420. Okay, ज़्यादा दिया मैं. Okay, that should be fine anyways. चलेगा, वो भी चलेगा. मैं तो होल्ड कर रहा हूँ. आई एम स्टिल होल्डिंग. भाई मॉर्निंग में लॉस 37 का स्कैल्पिंग कर कर करके 1521 तक लाए. ओके, अभी फीलिंग आ रहा है कि आज का लॉस एक्सेप्ट कर लूँ. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, रिकवर करूँ या छोड़ दूँ? देखेंगे भाई, लेट्स सी इफ देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ सम मूवमेंट, हम रिकवर कर लेंगे. नहीं ये तो छोड़ दो, देखेंगे. लेट्स सी. 176 लो ब्रेक नहीं हुआ अभी तक. बैंक निफ्टी में यस, बैंक निफ्टी में लो ब्रेक हुआ भाई. इसमें स्टॉप लॉस हिट, गैस गैस गैस, ये तो स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ. एसएल हिट, रिमेंबर एसएल हिट. ठीक है, छोटा स्टॉप लॉस. आई थिंक हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस? 25 पॉइंट्स ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस. ओके, 500 750 का लॉस. ठीक है. इंट्राडे एसएल भी टच हुआ भाई, बट निफ्टी में नो. निफ्टी में आई डोंट सी इट. निफ्टी में आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग. बैंक निफ्टी में नहीं हुआ, सॉरी निफ्टी में नहीं हुआ, बट बैंक निफ्टी में यस, ये टच हुआ. बट वी आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी पुट, नॉट एट. हम क्या करेंगे, सी लेट्स सी दिस गाइस. सो इफ देर इज अ रीटेस्ट हियर, इसका नीचे one or this. Okay, this one we will try. If there is a retest and trying to give us some price action, we'll take an entry. Otherwise no entry. Okay, गैप फिलिंग. हाँ हाँ हाँ, गैप फिलिंग तो करेगा भाई, मॉर्निंग से देख रहा हूँ मैं. ओनली हियर, ओनली इफ देर इज अ सिचुएशन लाइक दिस हम ट्रेड लेंगे. ఐసీ బనే తో ఇలా ఇలా ప్రైస్ యాక్షన్ ఇస్తేనే మనం ట్రేడ్ తీసుకుందాం, లేకపోతే అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, ఏసీ బనే తో लेंगे. ठीक है, बट on the call side always you can scalp. I'm telling you again, on the call side I'm telling you again and again, call side you can scalp. You can only scalp. Scalping भी चलेगा, but no, don't buy it now, don't buy put side now. Let's wait for one price action. निफ्टी में अभी थोड़ा ब्रेक करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है भाई. लेट्स वेट फॉर दिस कैंडल टू क्लोज. वेट फॉर दिस कैंडल टू क्लोज. नहीं चलेगा, नो, नॉट नाउ. वेट फॉर इट, वेट फॉर दिस कैंडल क्लोजर, तब देखेंगे. ओके, नो मैन, दिस इज नॉट लुकिंग गुड समहाउ. Scalping. I am actually scalping on the call side now. 5-6 points के लिए, just 2-3 points, etc. $35,000 is going to act as a great support. It will act as a support, guys. Remember. I am scalping, guys. तो scalping कर रहा हूँ. Scalping on the call side. As long as it does not break this trend line, I am good. As long as it does not break this trend line, I'm good. Try good number of quantity. Try booking some 2-3 points and you should be in profit, guys. Every time you can scalp now. It is at the support, you can scalp. At the support, you can always scalp. $230 हुआ, so let's check. I forgot to check European markets, man. एक बार check करेंगे. 130 को आ जाएगा, right? European markets are they are kind of flat bearish. Superb, nice. TCS तो और नीचे आ रहा. Superb. That's so good. TCS again back to 100 rupees, man. Back to 100 rupees. TCS is back to 100 rupees again. Waiting. 35,000 isn't broken yet. Sideways, still sideways. Don't take it even in Nifty or Bank Nifty. Don't take an entry. Not looking good. निफ्टी में 3 टच ब्रेक कर रहा है. SS भाई 3 टच. हाँ. Okay. 3 touch breaking. This one, are you talking about this? ये 3 touch वाला. Are you talking about this? This was like a head and shoulder pattern. This was like a head and shoulder pattern. Yes, 3 touch भी था, but इधर retest नहीं आया, right? So that is not a proper volume there. Volume तो नहीं आए. So it has to go up and then it should give us profit. But ultimately, I am going to be in a buying zone until my SL is hit in Nifty at 121 or 120, 125. 16,125 is my SL in Nifty. Okay. Until then, I'm going to hold it. I told you in the morning itself, मैं तो hold कर रहा हूँ. I'm going to hold it. Okay. support से that's why I don't want to take again scalping कर रहा है क्या कोई? I am actually scalping. मैं तो scalping कर रहा हूँ भाई. सुबह मेरा स्कैल्पिंग तो चलेगा अभी. स्कैल्पिंग तो अच्छा चल रहा है भाई. सुपर नाइस. This is what I call it as a beautiful move. This is also one more three touch pattern. Look at this. This is one more three touch pattern. If you look at this is another three touch pattern, right? It is not that way. SS, it is not about 5 minutes, or it's not about 2 minutes, or it's not about 10 minutes. It's all about how the price action is forming. See, I'll tell you, even if you go back to 1 minute time frame, check kar lete. Like, I will tell you why it is working in 3 minutes as well, or 1 minute as well. Okay. See, now, what was the strategy? 3 minute, or see, after the third touch, it has to go towards the opposite direction for the target. Okay, 1, 2, 3 touch, right? So, where is the target? Target will be somewhere here, right? So, this is the target. After the third touch, it has to go up, correct? So, this target is done, correct? One, okay, and second wala, look at this. Where is this? Okay, sorry, I was looking. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. And where should be the target? Minimum target should be somewhere here. Correct? At the trend line. Now your target is done here. Correct? That is the second one. Even in 1 minute, I'm talking about even in 1 minute, it should give you profits. This is the one, second touch and third touch. Right? Look at this here, and after this it should give you profits here, minimum here, but it has gone very high, which is actually touching the previous resistance zone somewhere here, correct? So the target done. And now if it is on a longer journey, which is like a 5 minutes for example, or a 3 minute, okay, I'm looking at a higher time frame here, right? So if this is a 3 touch pattern in 3 minute one or a 5 minute one, where is your target is, where your target is normally, your target should be somewhere around this trend line, something like this, right? This is the trend line, your target is here, right? Which is basically your target is done. So even in 1 minute, 5 minute or 3 minute, if there are 3 touch patterns, it should normally take a target of the trend line on the above. ओके कभी भी काम कर सकता है, इसे ये 1 मिनट भी काम करेगा और 5 मिनट में भी करेगा. ओके this is still there, sluggish man, this is so sluggish. TCS or gira. TCS, what is the price now? TCS is at 9900, 101 चल रहा अभी. Okay, 101.5. Okay, चलेगा. We are still in profit in TCS. So let's see कुछ करेगा या नहीं. We have last half an hour में पता नहीं क्या करेगा अभी. Let's see. Nifty, how is it doing? ये भी नहीं दे रहा हमको. BTST, don't take any BTST for Monday guys. थोड़ा रिस्की दिखेगा आपको. risky traders can take call for Monday. Monday के लिए risky traders can take a call. But I am not suggesting any. If you have any safe traders, please don't take any, because कुछ भी हो सकता है. But if someone wants to take that risk of having some profits on Monday, ले सकते. You can take it. I think Aji, I think you will get BTST target today itself. चलो चलो थोड़ा गैप है शायद इधर. ओ या छोटा गैप दिख रहा है उधर. As per the price action, it has to touch this trend line, because after the third touch, right? After the third touch, it has to touch this trend line, but there is a very small gap here. There is a gap here. So then that might be an issue. चलो टच होने का जा रहा है भाई, ऊपर तो जा रहा. It's going good. some more. How many more points? 88 चल रहा, and this is somewhere around 20-30 points more for the target. 20-30 points. Almost hitting, almost there, almost there. Almost hitting this third touch on top. Okay, almost target done, guys. Target done. Iska done. Done. 3 touch का target done. 3 touch का target done, guys. BTST का टारगेट भी दे रहा भाई आज. BTST का टारगेट भी हुआ. BTST का टारगेट भी डन चुका है भाई. आज ही बुक करेंगे पूरा. सुपर मूव. नाइस. इसीलिए बोला, आई टोल्ड यू, रिमेंबर गाइस, फ्रॉम हियर स्कैल्प कर लो भाई. सपोर्ट से स्कैल्पिंग कर सकते बोल के बोला मैं. सपोर्ट से स्कैल्पिंग कर लो बोल के पहले से बोल रहा हूं मैं आपको. सुपर. दिस इज अ सुपर मूव. चलो. I just need 150, 16,150 call me. I just need 35 points. 35 more points. So, मेरा टारगेट तो मिल जाएगा. Okay. चलो. डन. एग्जिट हो जाओ भाई. समवन हैज टेकन, एग्जिट हो जाओ. ये वाला एग्जिट करना है. हो गया. बट इंट्राडे टारगेट के लिए हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स डू आई हैव? इंट्राडे टारगेट के लिए आई हैव अनदर 65 पॉइंट्स चाहिए मुझे. आई नीड 65 more points for the intraday target, but time तो कम है भाई, 25 points खाली, हम क्या कर सकते हैं. Did anyone book in this rally? Did anyone book in this rally? How is Tata Chemicals? Tata Chemicals. ऊपर जाना है वो. यप 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 यप, ये तो ऊपर ही जाना है भाई. ओके, हिट 38. ठीक है, चलेगा. Because it has given us a breakout of intraday. इंट्राडे में ब्रेकआउट दिया भाई ये वाला. So eventually it has to go up. If it is closing this, if the candle closes above this, you know, Monday also ये तो ऊपर ही जाएगा शायद, unless if there is any bad news. वो तो different है, but Tata Chemicals is breaking today's high. Superb, nice. He's breaking today's high. टाटा केमिकल्स तो बूम हो जाएगा भाई. आई थिंक इट विल. वी आर स्टिल होल्डिंग टाटा केमिकल्स, तो वी आर होल्डिंग. यप. 838 839 के ऊपर we might take another position as well. चलेगा. Right. 4650. Sir, Wipro Amarinder. Okay, okay. I'll tell you. Wait. Need to work on confidence. Yes, yes. Confidence तो चाहिए भाई. Wipro बताता. I'll tell you. Wait. Wipro. It is consolidation zone, but it is in consolidation zone, Amarinder. Consolidation zone है वो. Sorry. Don't try anything now. Now let's wait for a breakout on the upper side or a breakdown niche. Wait for an entry here or here. This is playing within the zone. No entry yet. So you'll have to wait. No entry, please. Amrinder Singh, no. Ranjan, after a long time. फ्यूचर में भी कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है आजकल. फ्यूचर्स में मिलेगा बट यू शुड हैव अ कैपिटल. कैपिटल है तो फ्यूचर्स में ज़्यादा है भाई. मेरे पास ज़्यादा है. आई हैव ये वाला HDFC. व्हाट इज दैट? लेट मी चेक. व्हाट इज दैट आई हैव? हाँ, HDFC बैंक फ्यूचर्स है मेरे पास. सो आई टुक इट अराउंड 1300 चेंज. नाउ इट इज अराउंड 1396 कुछ चल रहा. So somewhere around 90 to 100 points मिल रहा मुझे. So yeah, there are futures में है, but it depends on which one are you actually looking at. Difference तो है. Superb. That's a super wow movement. That's a wow moment for Nifty and BankNifty. Nifty and BankNifty. BankNifty no move ये. क्यों भाई? इतना move दिया? इतना move दिया क्यों? No move. Look at this. How many points? 160, 170 points of move it is. क्यों? मैं क्या बोला? मॉर्निंग ईच बोला कि माई टारगेट एंड स्टॉप लॉसेस आर हियर. चेक कर लो. मेरा इंट्राडे टारगेट इज हियर. अल्टीमेट टारगेट इज हियर 300 बोल के. सो हे भाई हे. सुपर्ब. लास्ट वन आई मिस हो गया. ओ यस यस. कभी कभी मिस होगा भाई. सी मिस हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी. अभी भी हो जाएगा. हम क्या कर सकते हैं. समटाइम्स यू डोंट गेट एन एंट्री एट ऑल. हो सकता है. आई एम बुकिंग माई हाफ क्वांटिटी ऑलरेडी नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए. और एक 50% of my quantity I'm going to carry forward. I'm going to carry forward 50% of my quantity for next week. I will book 50% quantity today itself. इतना move I don't want to lose. इतना अच्छा move दिया. It's a huge rally. Nifty and Bank Nifty दोनों में आज अच्छा मिला. आईटी आज अच्छा मुंह दिया. आईटी कहाँ दिया भाई? सी इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट few stocks it is fine. बट कंप्लीट आईटी बोले तो टीसीएस तो नीचे है, कंप्लीट आईटी साइडवेज, वो तो पॉजिटिव नहीं है. आईटी सेक्टर इज कंप्लीटली फ्लैट, or actually it is still at somewhere around cost to cost. It is around somewhere around cost to cost. It hasn't even reached today's high. So that's not something we want to look at. No. Last 15 minutes. Please do like and subscribe, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Those who are watching the stream for the first time, you know, I booked half of my quantity. I booked half of my quantity at the high, very high, very very high. I booked Nifty में book किया, sorry, Nifty में book किया, somewhere here. बैंक निफ्टी में नहीं. You know, हमारा target क्या? See, I gave you one bank nifty call if you don't remember. If you remember, ये तो अभी टारगेट हिट हुआ भाई, 420 का टारगेट हिट हुआ. स्टॉप लॉस हिट करके इमीडिएटली हमने हमारा टारगेट दिया इसमें. इट हैज गिवन अस अ गुड टारगेट. स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड लेते भाई हम. Oh. स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड ले लो, एक गैप तो फिल करेगा. 10 जस्ट 15, 10-15 पॉइंट के लिए. दस 15 पॉइंट के लिए आप ट्रेलिंग कर सकते. लास्ट 10 मिनट्स में भी ये तो हेड एंड शोल्डर बनेगा क्या? देखता हूँ. हेड एंड शोल्डर बने तो नीचे आ जाएगा ये वाला. wow. ऊपर नीचे लास्ट 5 मिनट्स में वॉलेटिलिटी भाई. Took call for BTST Bank Nifty one lot. Ranjan Patil. Okay. Hold कर लो and our target. See, if you see a target within next 5-10 minutes में, if you see this target, exit कर लो. Otherwise, hold it for tomorrow, for Friday. Sorry, for Monday. How many of you are carrying it forward? How many of you are taking call for tomorrow, for Monday, basically? पता नहीं, ये भी तो नहीं दे रहा भाई. Last 5 minutes, guys. BTST 15 minutes time frame में Wipro is looking okay. TCS तो I am not bullish at. TCS तो not, I am not bullish in TCS का सेट. मैं तो नहीं लेता हूँ. And then इन्फी कैसे चल रहा है? Infosys has to break this. अच्छा देगा if it is breaking today's high. And then Tata Chemicals. Okay, Tata Chemicals hasn't closed above this. If it is closing above 836.5, we can take a call option for Monday. Okay. It hasn't closed, so we will not take it. Moving. चलो. Any other BTC stocks में है, but you are already taking Bank Nifty. Don't increase the risk. वो चलेगा. Don't take any more risk. Tata Chemicals में देख रहा हूँ, so if it is closing above this, I wanted to take this, but ये तो closing नहीं दे रहा मुझे. It has to give me closing above today's high. So closing तो नहीं दिया मुझे अभी तक. So anyone who is holding Bank Nifty call, avoid any other trade. Okay. But if you don't have any other trade, then that's a different case. No, it isn't closed. So this is not the pattern we are looking for. But yes, Bank Nifty, whoever has taken should be in profit. Should be in profit, guys. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Pata nahi if you are. I would say, yeah, call should be good enough for Monday. But if you don't want to avoid any more stress for Monday, आप book कर लो भाई. If you are, I think you should be in profit. If you have taken call option in Bank Nifty, you should be in profit. आप अच्छा profit में है तो exit कर लो. क्योंकि why do you want to take lot of stress for Saturday and Sunday? No, let's live peacefully, right? So last minute. It is trying to take a reverse zone from the testing trend line. So ये तो ऊपर ही जाना है. Technically it has to go up. So last minute is anyone? I don't think anyone is holding this, right? Technically it has to close above this. Okay, done. 35 130 के आसपास क्लोज हुआ भाई. The market is closed. Okay. And thank you so much, guys. I know today it has been a good one. Bank Nifty, let's see this. Average closing नीचे आएगा. नहीं that why it would come. See, if you are actually averaging at a lower price, the average is good. If you are averaging at a higher price, it is different again. Okay, so if you are averaging it on a higher price, average price तो नीचे ही आ जाएगा, right? Sorry, ऊपर ही जाएगा. So buy price and sell price are different, तो इसीलिए. Okay, so Tata Chemicals तो close नहीं हुआ, ये भी वही है. Okay, hopefully 16,200 might act as a support. देखेंगे, at least कुछ तो मिलेगा. ठीक है, चलो, let's meet on Monday, and thank you so much guys for joining. Please do like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends as well. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. No, sometime market closing price change after. That's post market. That's post market. You might see in a 15 minutes time frame. The post market time तो दिखेगा आपको. Look at this. Where is this? So 335 में close हुआ, right? At 335 the post market closes. Okay, you just have another 3 minutes to close. So, but it would not make any much difference. It would not make any much difference. It's like, something like 5-10 points up and down. That's not a great deal. Okay, so that should be fine. Thank you so much guys, and thanks for joining. You have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend guys. Thank you.